Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. I have a new soapbox these days. People eat your veggies. Instead of saying anything further about this, I'll just show you how to get your daily intake of veggies in a delicious and satisfying vegetable pancake. This is naturally gluten-free. Before we start cooking, let's remember, by accepting yourself unconditionally, you allow yourself to remove your mass and feel at ease with who you are. For this recipe, we will use millet. Let's take 1/3 cup of millet. I'm using Kodo millet. You can use any kind of millet you want. And let's wash the millet. You usually wash the millet only once. Don't wash too often. And to this 1/3 cup of millet, we are going to add 2/3 cup of water, and we will soak it overnight if possible. If you are in a hurry, it's okay. No need to soak it, but if possible, soak it overnight. Add 2/3 cup of water, and this batch I'm using, I soaked it overnight. And there, that's how it looks when you soak it overnight. And now let's blend this till it's fine. I'm using a Vitamix. The texture should be really fine when you're blending. Now transfer that mixture into a bowl, a big bowl, because we're going to start adding the veggies. Now grate 1/2 cup of potato. We need 3.5 cups of veggies. And so it can be any veggies you want. I'm using 1/2 cup of grated potatoes and cabbage and broccoli slaw because it's easy. And I got it in the store, but you can use zucchini if you want. I'm using 1/2 cup of carrots. So any veggies that you can cut into thin strips, use those. Now add salt and pepper to taste into that batter. And of course, everything tastes good with a little chili powder. Now mix this thoroughly and add the veggies. So there goes the broccoli, the julienne cabbage, 1 cup, the carrots, the potatoes. And the potatoes should be really well mixed into the batter. And actually, each time you add a veggie, mix it thoroughly. And now after mixing everything, at the end, you add 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk powder. This binds the pancake. Mix thoroughly. And now heat a non-stick pan on medium-high heat. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. If you would like your pancakes to be crispier, you can add more oil. Because this is a non-stick pan, you can add even 1/2 teaspoon of oil if you want. Divide the batter in 3 portions because I'm making big 10-inch pancakes. If you want smaller pancakes, then take smaller portions. After about 4 minutes cooking on one side, then add about a teaspoon of oil on the other side and flip the pancake. So it takes about 4 minutes on each side for it to cook. And there, after 4 minutes, there it's done. There is one delicious pancake. But before we taste it, let's remember, by accepting yourself unconditionally, you allow yourself to remove your mass and feel at ease with who you are. Okay, let's taste this. You can eat this with anything, but I have some guacamole here, and I have an Indian chili pickle. It's like lime, and or you can eat it with anything really. I like the crunch of the vegetables. The whole thing is a really satisfying meal. Now let's try with the pickle. Delish. Delish. You can really taste the vegetables in the pancake. It's really delicious. It's so healthy. It's a wonderful breakfast. Try it at home.